Hi, I'm Ivan from WebWash, and in this video, I will show you how to use the Admin Toolbar module. Now, if you've used Drupal in the past and you are logged in as an administrator, I'm sure you would have noticed the toolbar that sits at the top of the screen. From this toolbar, you can access the content administration page, the structure page where you can change the structure of your site, appearance, extend, configuration, and so on. The module allows you to extend the default functionality of the toolbar, and it allows you to add drop downs and also a button where you can quickly flush a whole bunch of caches, and you can also switch on a quick search, which is pretty useful for searching and jumping to backend pages. So in this video, you'll learn how to turn on all of this functionality using the Admin Toolbar module. So with that, let's jump right in. So before we begin, if you want to learn more about the module, just head over to drupal.org/project/admin_toolbar, or just Google Drupal toolbar and you'll find the project page. And from this page, you can learn all about the module. So to get started, let's first download the module. And to do this, we're going to, of course, use Composer. So let me jump over to my terminal and I'll type in Composer require Drupal/admin_toolbar. And then just give that a few seconds. Okay, now that it's been downloaded, let's go to our Drupal site. So here is my stock standard Drupal site. The only thing I've done, I think, actually, I haven't done anything to it. I have uninstalled the update module. And the reason for that is because I don't want to get error messages on the config page. That's the only thing that I have done. So let's go to extend and let's search for Admin Toolbar, because you'll see that there are 4 modules. So the first one, Admin Toolbar, this just adds basic drop downs, and that is it. And then the second one, which is Admin Toolbar Extra Tools, this adds in more granular drop downs, and I'll show you what that means in a second. But it also adds in a new button where you can flush caches, you can run cron, and also you can run update.php for when you update Drupal core or Drupal modules. And then you have this Admin Toolbar Links Access Filter. Great name. This is actually a workaround. If you look at the description right here of the module, it says it provides a workaround for the common problem that users with the use the administration page and help permission will see menus that they don't have access to. Essentially, this module fixes up this issue. And so if you want to install this module, you just install it and you forget about it. There's no configuration, you just set and forget. And then finally, we have the Admin Toolbar Search. This adds in quick search functionality, which adds a little text area, or a text field, sorry, to your toolbar where you can quickly search for backend screens. And it's actually pretty useful. So let's first switch on the Admin Toolbar module. So I will check Admin Toolbar and then click on Install. And then if we hover over some of the menus, you can see we now have a drop down. But you can see that the drop down is only the first or second level. But it's a drop down, and it makes things a little easier. So that is about it for this module. Let's go back and search for Admin Toolbar and take note of what's available with the level of drop downs right now. And let's go ahead and install the Admin Toolbar Extra Tools module. So let's install that. And then if we hover, straight away you will see that we get a lot more drop downs. We can drill all the way down from content type, article, then to manage fields, manage form display, manage display. The Admin Toolbar, what is it? Extra Tools module. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. I'm just looking at my notes right here. it gives us a lot more drop-down options. And we also get this button right here, this Drupal icon, which allows us to flush all the caches. If we click on flush all caches, which I assume is the same as just going to, configuration permission, rebuild cache or something. And then we get to flush specific caches. So if you want to flush the views cache or the tweak cache or the static cache or the render cache, you can see Drupal has a lot of caches. And then you can run cron, you can run update.php. This just takes you to the PHP, update.php module file. And then you can log out. But really the benefit of using this Admin Toolbar Extra Tools module is that you just get better dropdowns, really. Okay, let's now search for Admin Toolbar again. And let's enable this Admin Toolbar links access filter. Now, I'm not going to demonstrate this because it'll probably take me 5 minutes to prepare roles and set everything up. Now, I could have done that before the video, of course, but there's really no point of demonstrating this. Just enable it and leave it. So it's kind of like a set and forget. And if you want to look at the issue that it fixes, click on this link. And this is an actual link, surprisingly. So if you click on this, it will take you to an issue on Drupal.org. And if you give it a second to load up, you can see that it was created 18th of August, 2008. And it's still getting worked on. And there's over like 200 something comments on it to fix the issue. So yeah, this is an ongoing issue and it's been ongoing for a pretty long time. But with this module, just set and forget. So let's just go ahead and install it. And then finally, my favorite one. And that is this Admin Toolbar search. Now, I wasn't aware of this functionality until I worked on this video. So if we install this module, we now get this quick search text field in the toolbar. So we can search for any backend page and quickly jump to it. This functionality is similar to the coffee module, if you have used coffee in the past, which I do want to do a tutorial on. So if we search for, say, content types, okay, we can see everything that has the word content type in it, but we can click on that and then it will take us directly to the content types page. Another thing we can do, which is very handy because I know myself as a site builder, I can be, I don't know, let's just say we're on the search pages, okay? We're configuring the search for some reason. I don't know why I'll be using this search because Search API is better, but let's just imagine I'm on this page using this search functionality. And then I'm like, okay, I want to jump over to the manage display on the article content type because I want to change a bunch of formatters. Now, to do that, you can easily just search for article, manage, display, and then just click on it and jump directly to it, which is pretty awesome. Instead of, let's go back, instead of going to structure or even, structure, content types, manage display, and so on and so forth. So the quick search functionality is pretty useful. So I highly recommend that you use it. So to wrap up this video, if you are going to use the Admin Toolbar module, I do recommend that you just install all of the 4 modules because combined, they really do give you a better admin experience. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, don't forget to head over to webwash.net where you can learn more about Drupal, WordPress, and other web technologies. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Anyway, that is it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.